Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can truly change your life forever, going plant-based. Did you know that adopting a plant-based diet can reduce your risk of heart disease by 32%? Yes, you heard that right, and that's just the beginning. Let's talk about what it means to go plant-based and how it can positively impact your health and lifestyle. It's not just about eating salads and smoothies, it's about embracing a whole new way of living that can bring incredible benefits. Transitioning to a plant-based diet might seem daunting at first. Finding suitable alternatives and dealing with societal pressure can be challenging. But trust me, the rewards far outweigh the initial hurdles. When you dive into the world of plant-based eating, you'll discover a whole new level of energy. Wave farewell to mid-afternoon slumps and embrace sustained vitality throughout the day. Not to mention, managing your weight becomes a breeze and your risk of chronic diseases decreases significantly. Imagine waking up every day feeling refreshed and energized. Plant-based foods are packed with essential nutrients that fuel your body and mind. By focusing on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds, you're giving your body the best possible tools to thrive. Let's talk about the environmental impact. By choosing plant-based foods, you're contributing to a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. Reducing the consumption of animal products can significantly lower your carbon footprint and help combat climate change. In conclusion, going plant-based is not just a diet, it's a life-changing decision. By embracing this way of eating, you're setting yourself up for a healthier and more fulfilling life. The benefits are endless, and the impact is profound. Before we wrap up, I want to encourage you to check the description below for a fantastic book on plant-based recipes. This guide will help you create delicious and nutritious meals that make the transition smooth and enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more plant-based tips and inspiration. And share your own plant-based journey in the comments below. Your story could inspire others to take the leap towards a plant-powered life. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, go plant-based and change your life forever.